channel. So today we are in Eastleigh. We are going to Royal Shopping Mall day to day and any other that we come across. So if you're interested in watching that, keep on watching. So guys, you can see we're in Eastleigh. I can already see day to day over there. We want to buy decorative mirrors as well as throw pillows for our seats, and we are going to go to different malls so that we can compare the prices, and then we will buy from, of course, the most affordable place that we are going to find. Floating shelves are all 2,700, but they said Mwisho 2,500. There are different types, as you can see. And then wallpapers are 800 for a meter. They can reduce to 700. And then look at this clock. Look at these beautiful candle holders, 1,718 shillings, so pretty. Deco mirrors, I love this one, and it's so affordable. This one is, how much? This one is 1768, na ndivyo ni sufuaki. Na kuna hii ni ya 64. This one is big, it's 64.31, and there was another one for 2,000 shillings. And candle holders, this one is 1,500 shillings, and then the flowers are 550. This one, also a big nice size, is 2,600. There is silver, and now there is the gold. If you're on a budget, this is 820. Guys, we've come to New Garissa Road. Look at the pillows, and it's 750 for the pillow and the pillow cover. So the whole of it like this is 750. So in this design, I'm getting mustard yellow color. We also have the fleece blanket. So we have the different colors for the pillows, guys. The pillows on their own is 500, the covers 200, and then both at 700. The pillow looks like it's fiber. More colors. Kwanza hii white. Love that. 750. Na hii pia ni suku sana. This is the color. There goes our pillows. I don't know which mall this is, but they have really cool items I've just seen from the road. Ooh. It's only how much? 25. Na ile paint iko pale. Na hiyo ingine ama bei ni the same. How 6,000. Pillows going for 800. Na hizi candle holders? 18. But this big mirror is going for 85. Na utu tudogo ya nauzaje? 1,300. We are at Royal Mall. They have chandeliers, deco mirrors, deco items. So guys, look at these candle holders. This is 1,750. Bado 1,750. So we want a mirror though. You can also find kitchen stuff at this mall, Royal Mall. Look at this carpet over here, it's so beautiful. So we bought our carpet at Royal Mall. You can see they have really different types. So guys, I'm outside Royal Shopping Mall. Thought we would find the decorative mirror here because the prices at Royal Shopping Mall are actually cheaper, but we've not found the exact mirror that we liked at Royal Mall, so we are going back to day to get it. You've come to Eastleigh na ukose kununua hizi vitu, you're missing out. Zinakuanga tamu waki, they are very sweet. And I'm also getting myself a cherry because I love a cherry. And imagine when growing up we used to sell these coffee things and we didn't know they actually are sold. So cool, you unazisiaga and then you use them for coffee. This is what we've come for. It's 15. And you guys, imagine this is 750. 750 for these three. Really love these candle holders. They're going for 1700. Yes, this is 750 and this is 700. It's actually 1768, but we bought at 1600. So upstairs at Day to Day Mall, they have really nice seats, beds, and dining sets, recliner seats. Yani, this was so amazing. I really loved the different beds that I saw and the different seats and dining sets, and I thought that I would share with you guys some clips. So if you're looking for any of these things, go check out Day to Day Mall. The person who installed the mirror for us on the wall didn't do a very good job because he didn't space them out, but that's how it looks like. It's cute, highly recommend. So this is how the throw pillows look like on the seats. Yeah, basically that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Remember to subscribe. Bye.